Shut that music off.
Can I lock it?
Hola!
We spent about, I don't know, a couple $100 on these bikes not long ago, and this is the first time we had them out, so I feel great.
Well, the GoPro ran out of battery already, so I had to put that back in the car.
There's somebody right there. So that's
Well, make room for the guy. You want to make room for him. If I need to walk your bike across, I'll do it. You gonna be okay? Ooga chaka, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. I was about to get this great shot of you guys pedaling up the hill and racing down, and all I see is...
Are you going to go ahead or not?
No. No. Because... Too late now.
The trick is going to high gear when you go
wasabi.
What's that?
Let's go King Wasabi. Later.
Go that way, right?
I thought we went right on Lamar. Don't go right. Does anybody know where the hell I am?
No, we don't go right.
Alright. All wrong. Morning.
Here, kitty, kitty. Don't worry, we won't tell you. Yep. Cut off a big section there. Little rough here. Did Charlotte crash?
It's on. Diana's out. Life is working a whole bunch better because you think the man
Touch the hiney. Yeah.
God, you know, you're going to get me in trouble.
We do it. Why? Was that enjoyable to you?
Yeah, my wife,
All right.
she understands. We go to these music things and people
Well, you are a doctor, so you can play one on TV. Yeah.
Lots of kids.
Good morning. Uh-oh. Is that a doodle? Uh-oh. On your left. Good morning and thank you.
Why is he wearing his helmet?
Yow! Not a very good echo.
It's just like a great urban ride with nature.
Wow. Yeah. Never knew this was here. Hello. Echo! Yeah. That's not one of the moon towers. No. Radio communications, but that's not one of the moon towers.
Galaxy Cafe.
You all right? Going. I'm causing trouble.
Reminds me of Lazy Road where I grew up. I don't know what happened to me.
riding through the hoi polloi.
Beautiful duplex. How about
Yeah.
that duplex right there?
That's beautiful. Polish parking. Polish parking.
Should be like right there, almost there. Turn left.
Turn. Yeah, well, there's the front of Randall's. Yeah, we'll have to turn left. Oh, no. She got it.